Acting FBI Director Andrew McCabe is going to testify to the Senate Intelligence Committee hearing on worldwide threats. That's what he's supposed to be talking about. Judge Napolitano is here. Now, this gentleman has ties to a Clinton ally, Terry McAuliffe from Virginia. What do you make of this?
Well, not only is he... Well, here's the ties. Director McCabe's wife, a physician, Dr. McCabe, ran for the state senate in Virginia, and in the course of that campaign received $750,000 from a PAC controlled by Governor McAuliffe. So far, not a problem. Governor McAuliffe is the target of an FBI criminal investigation headed by Andrew McCabe. So if he doesn't perceive the ethical problem with that, how can he be the interim director of the FBI? Fast forward to what's going on today. Attorney General Sessions, Deputy Attorney General Rosenstein are interviewing candidates to be interim director, whom they can hire without the president's involvement and without confirmation by the Senate. Why do we need an interim director? Because McCabe probably is ethically challenged, and because the Democrats probably will delay on the president's choice to become the permanent director, and you can't be leaderless in an era like this.
So what we're looking for is the interim director who does not need to be approved by the Senate.
We probably will have such a human being by midweek next week. In the interim, Mr. McCabe, who is an experienced, lifelong FBI person and did rise through the ranks from agent to number 2, now number 1, will testify today along with CIA Director Pompeo, NSA Director Rogers, DNI Director of National Intelligence Coates. And they will be asked about, what can you tell us about the investigation of Russian involvement in the 2016 campaign? You know what they'll say?
They will say
nothing. Right, because it is an ongoing intelligence and criminal investigation, and we are not permitted to give you a snapshot picture of where the investigation is as of this morning.
What do you make of it that a senior senator on the Intelligence Committee is demanding the bank records, trying to show any connection, financial connection between Russian people in the Russian government and the Trump campaign and Mr. Trump's personal...
This is what happens when you have an intelligence investigation, a criminal investigation, and a congressional investigation at the same time. I would like to think the intelligence investigation is aimed at keeping us safe. The criminal investigation is aimed at finding someone who committed a crime if a crime was committed. What's the congressional investigation aimed at? Getting reelected.
Yeah, right. Right.
So you don't know where it's going to go. You don't know. Emac and I talked about this last night on her show, what the documents are, whether it's a fishing expedition. Are they looking for bribes, or are they looking for legitimate investments in Trump assets?
Look, I've been away for a week. I'm stepping back for a second.
You were at a family wedding, were you not?
Yeah, well, thank you very much indeed. Yes,
and the wedding was on a Monday, the least expensive day of the week, was it not?
Please, I used to bring this up. The bride is watching. Are you accusing me of looking for a discount on her wedding?
Beautiful bride whose photo you just shared with
I did, yes.